Welcome to Business Avenue, the portal for relevant tidbits for your career and business. My name is Edmond Jamina, and I'm glad to be bringing you another episode. So, over the past couple of episodes, we discussed how to seek utmost protection for your intellectual property. The first we spoke about was the copyright, which has to do with works. Then we spoke about patent, which relates to invention. In this episode, we'll be talking about how to seek protection for logos, for words, for design, for slogans. Okay. In this episode, we'll be talking about trademarks. So a trademark is a protection that is given to a logo, is given to a word, is given to a design, is given to a brand for goods or services that distinguishes it from others, which can be similar or not. Okay. So the logo becomes a tag of a source or origin of where the product or the service is coming from. So whenever you see a Coke drink, okay, even if it tastes the same, the moment you see this sign embossed on it, you know the origin. Now, normally, the trademark can be found on the package. It can also be found on the label, okay? It can also be found on the product itself. So when you pick up a phone, you see an Apple logo embedded on it. If it's a television, you see a Samsung logo inscribed on it. All tells you where the product is coming from. So normally when you pick an item, the first thing you do is that you want to look at where it is coming from. The logo can tell you that, and it will tell you what you should expect or give you an encouragement or an assurance of what the product is going to offer you without even opening it to check through it. Okay, so trademarks are very, very essential. It is very crucial for a trademark to be registered because people invest heavily into it. It's an extension of what a business stands for. So if it's not registered and a third party lays hold of it and does something ulterior or untoward with it, it's going to affect the fortunes of the business. Okay, so trademarks come in three forms. The first one is what we call the trademark, the TM, which is normally a superscript placed by the logo or the name or the slogan of the business. The moment you see that, it is supposed to promote goods, okay, but it is unregistered. So anybody can lay hold of it and it's dangerous in that regard. The second type is a service mark, which is denoted as SM, also placed as a superscript by the sign, the design, or the logo of the business. This is also an unregistered trademark to promote or brand services. The last is a capital R with a circle surrounding it. Okay, with this one, it is a registered trademark for either goods or services. So anytime you see someone's logo with the R by it, it means that you are supposed to stay away from it. If you want to use it, you have to seek express permission from the owners of the business. Other than that, you will be liable for infringement and suffer penalties. So we'll come to you again by way of another episode. Take care of yourself and stay blessed. Adios.